Do you struggle with IELTS Writing Task 1? Using the right vocabulary can boost your score to band 9. In this video, I will share 20 powerful phrases that will make your formal and informal letters stand out. Watch till the end because I will also share a band 9 sample letter using these phrases. Let's get started. For formal letters, use these strong opening sentences. I am writing to express my concern regarding. I am reaching out to inquire about. I am writing in response to your recent. For informal letters, keep it casual. Hope you are doing well. I wanted to write to you about. It's been a while. I just had to tell you about. I thought I would drop you a quick note regarding. So instead of writing, I am writing because I want to ask, you can write, I am writing to inquire about. When making a complaint, avoid being too emotional. Instead, use professional, polite language. I was extremely disappointed with. I regret to inform you that. I feel compelled to bring you this issue to your attention. For example, I was extremely disappointed with the poor customer service I received at your hotel last week. So instead of writing, I want to complain about my order, you can write, I feel compelled to bring this issue to your attention regarding my recent order. When you need to demand action, be polite but firm. I insist that immediate action be taken too. I expect this matter to be resolved at the earliest convenience. I hope you will address this issue without further delay. For example, I expect this matter to be resolved at the earliest convenience as it has caused significant inconvenience. When requesting information, sound professional and clear. Could you kindly provide more details about? I would appreciate it if you could clarify. I am interested in learning more about. For example, I would appreciate it if you could clarify the eligibility criteria for your scholarship program. For polite requests, these phrases sound much more formal and professional. Would it be possible to? I would be grateful if you could. Could I kindly request? For example, I would be grateful if you could arrange for an alternative accommodation due to the inconvenience caused. A strong closing sentence makes your letter sound professional and well structured. So for formal letters, you can use I look forward to your prompt response. Thank you for your time and assistance. Please let me know if any further information is required. For informal letters, looking forward to catching up soon. Can't wait to hear from you. Take care and stay in touch. Now you are ready to write like a Band 9 candidate. Comment Band 9 if you found this helpful. Subscribe for more IELTS tips. Watch my video and do comment.